Hi, I am Mia. Today we will be making double trouble. To make double trouble cookies with success, follow these steps to avoid making a mess. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. But ask an adult for help, please. Sift the cocoa powder and flour. Then add salt and baking powder. In a separate bowl, mix the butter and sugar. Add the egg and vanilla and stir them together. Combine the chocolate chips with the dry and wet mixtures. Stir until it reaches a Play-Doh texture. Use your hands to form balls of dough. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, until golden edges show. Let them cool completely on a rack. Then dunk them in milk, the perfect snack. Thanks for watching.